let me just use this point to address something very quickly. Tech is bifurcated into two major, two broad pathways. There are two broad pathways for tech. There is one pathway where you get into the tech space as a proper tech person, either as a software engineer, data analyst, designer, whatever. You are in the field of technology. That is one pathway, right? The second pathway is where you learn the skills and you go back to become those things you want to be. You want to be a lawyer, you want to be a doctor, you want to be a nurse, you want to be an engineer, whatever you want to be. Then the tech that you have learned begins to supercharge that environment for you.
Yeah.
So the way I'm sharing it is so for you in your mind, even as you're going through this experience, there should not be at any point you begin to stereotype in your mind your children. Okay, they must be this. Okay, since they're interested in this right now, it means that they will not become tech science. That's not true. It doesn't mean they will become, tech scientists or whatever you call them, right? As they begin to grow in it, which is why you want to continue, because as they begin to grow in it, they will begin to learn more. Their eyes will begin to open, the horizons of their mind will begin to enlarge, right? The more they know, the more they can use to make proper decisions, because you don't want to be making decisions for them. You won't make it for them for the rest of their lives. You want to teach them how to make good decisions, and the quality of your decisions is factored by the quality of your experiences, what you've been exposed to before now. All right. So it's something that you want to give them more of, right? So what I'm saying is that you need to have a neutral mindset as they are growing in this part, because interest begins to change over time, right? But one thing is certain: they need technology. They can't run away from it. They will learn it. They will become in it. But you need to have that openness of mind that they can either become fully in that field of technology, or they learn it and then they use it to supercharge a certain career, you know. So I just wanted to point that out. I hope that we understood that.